lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today we are going to be planning for the month of April 2023. Let's get started. Let's have a look at this month cover page. It's all about balance. It looks really cute.
You in my life. Feel the vibe.
So first I'm going to start by filling out all the important dates for the month that I can remember right now, and I can plan things accordingly. And also I'm going to add little bit stickers here and there just to make it cute. That's it. I marked some little festivals and also my YouTube upload days.
High, where you on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
Next we have the budget plan, and I'm just going to stick a sticker, that's it. And then there is a meal plan. I've written some shopping list, like the things that I remember in top of my head for now. Then we have this mood tracker. Really enjoy using for the past 3 months in this planner. Every time the patterns is quite different. In the separate habit tracker that's given below the mood tracker, I'm going to write sleeping and waking up early. So I want to consistently wake up and sleep early. That's the thing.
I ain't never been one to not follow the signs. You're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right.
And next, coming to this side for the affirmations, you all know I pick a card from the Universe Speaks to Me card, which I got from the Tall Elephant Planner, and I just write what universe has to tell me. And this time I'm going to choose this card which says you have totally got this. It's nice. Next, I started to write my goals for the month, but before that it's important to reflect on our previous month goals. So here are my March monthly goals. First up is read and finish one book, which I did, The Little Prince, sort of a unique story. And next is 14 videos on YouTube. I was sick quite often in the month of March, because of which it was difficult to get back to my work and also to my side hustle, this YouTube channel, because of which I haven't reached 1800 subscribers as well, even though I was pretty close right now. But I reached the total views goal, 150,000. I just wanted to say thank you so much for sticking by, even though I was not that consistent in the month of March. Thank you. And I didn't learn the Korean words as well, and I think I danced like 2 times a week. I think I missed 2 weeks when I was sick. I think I can give like a off tick, and I walked daily. Goals for the month of April.
Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm head first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me.
First goal is, as usual, our 12 books this year challenge, because of which I have to complete 1 book this month as well. I will share with you what is the book for the month in a little bit. Next goal is to learn 5 new Korean words and also to learn 1 sentence to speak. It can be like a small sentence as well. Next one is to walk 5,000 steps every day. And the next set of goals is for our YouTube channel, post one YouTube video a week, and I want to try posting shorts as well this month. And I have my total views goal of 160,000 and my subscriber goal is 1,825. So if you're watching my channel and not subscribed yet, do consider subscribing. It means a lot to me. Thanks in advance. And then I have written like distractions to avoid, and then some stickers as well. And then I marked the book that I completed and also the K-drama that I completed, which is Crash Course in Romance. The twist at the end is not what I expected. If you watched the drama, do share me your thoughts. I really liked it. And the book of the month is Make Time. I don't have like a strict schedule of I have to read this book this month. I just go with the flow and go with my feelings, and I have like a audible format of this book, like an audio book. Let's see how that goes. And this is the book. I'm just mentioning the author name and categories and everything, and I think I will be writing like the notes, book notes in this page itself, because since it's an audio book I can't really highlight stuff. Share like an update for you guys at the next plan with me how the note taking went for the audio book. Actually I already started one. Let me show you. So this is this book that I am reading, which is called I Can Do It. So it's all about affirmations. I will leave the link in the description. It's really good. It's by Louise Hay. I'm slowly listening to it whenever I have time. If you missed watching my Notion reading list video, I will leave it on the screen right now. Do click and watch it. If you like this video, do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It motivates me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.
Caught up in a long free fall, you got